Welcome to our how-to video on keying in projections, hints and tricks. So the first thing we must do is click on the projections icon to open up the projections module. We have actuals through June 2010 and we are doing projections for the rest of the year. You'll notice that there are already projections going through to December 2013. So to stop the numbers at the end of 2010, we go to File, Do Next Year Projections as Years, and voila. We have to key in numbers for projected rows such as sales, expenses, etc. Green cells are protected and we can't type in them. They are either protected because they are historical, coming from June 2010 or earlier, or because they are calculated based on other projected rows, for example, total sales. It is important to note that the tab key does not work the way it does in Excel. If you want to repeat a number along an entire row, simply type in asterisk and then the number and then enter. Let's try that in our Sales 1 category using the number 30,000. So I highlight the cell, type asterisk 30,000 and press enter. Great, now we can highlight that row and then click on the trends icon to see what we've just done graphically. You see up to December 2010, all the bars are exactly the same at 30,000. Now if we want to repeat a number only a few cells, we type the number of cells we want repeated, let's say 3, and then asterisk the number and enter. So I'll do 3 asterisk 20,000, enter. And now once again we can click on trends and we see that for 3 months it's at 20,000 and then it goes back to the regular projections we had before. Now perhaps we'd like to view a compound growth. Let's say we are optimistically thinking that our sales can increase by 10% each month. Simply type in asterisk 10 and then the percent sign. I'll do this in the Sales 3 category. And now, let's see what that looks like. We have here a quite beautiful 10% growth up to December 2010. To do an incremental growth, we substitute the percent sign with a plus sign. So an incremental growth of $500 would read asterisk 500 plus. Let's try that here. And we can once again view that. Steady growth, $500 a month. To copy and paste entire columns or rows, we use the typical Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. First, let's assume we're selling cars and trucks and we want to view what would happen if the two sales categories were identical. We can change the name of the category by right-clicking on it and going to Edit Flex Name. Call that one Cars and this one Trucks. And now I can highlight the row, press Control-C to copy, and highlight the other row, press Control-V to paste. Now if we want to view what would happen if 2 months showed identical data, we can highlight the column heading, press Control-C to copy, and then Control-V to paste. To do more in-depth projection, we can click on the Forecast tool, which will have its own how-to video coming soon. Thanks for watching.